Hi, I'm Greg Lawrence.
And I'm Catherine Auman.
We're from the Transpersonal Center, and today we want to talk to you about a concept that's helped us a lot in our relationship and helped a lot of our clients. It was originally developed by John and Judy Gottman. It's called Positive Sentiment Override.
The Gottmans are a couple. We call them a tantric couple, and we actually have no idea if they study Tantra or not, but we consider a tantric couple to be 1 + 1 = 3, whereas the outflowing of the relationship creates something beautiful for the planet.
Have you ever noticed certain people in your life and around you get the benefit of a doubt when something comes up? Some people don't. Why is that?
Some people, it just seems like everything they say bugs you, or you're doubtful of what they say. Other people, you give them the positive sentiment override. That means you just have a positive feeling about them and you're not really nitpicking on every single thing. Negative sentiment override would be the former, where you just aren't really on the same wavelength.
So let's look at that in the context of a relationship. I am speaking with my beloved and something happens and maybe I don't like something that's said, maybe I become upset. I stop and I remember, this is the person that I love. This is the person that loves me. Do they want to hurt me? Do they mean something hurtful? Is it worth getting upset over? Should I become upset at you? Maybe positive sentiment override kicks in. You remember, this person cares about me. This is not something I need to make into an issue if it doesn't have to be.
So if you're a conscious person like Greg, you can work with it in that way. Well, what happens for a lot of us is we fall into these patterns after a period of time when there's been a lot of stuff we haven't talked about, where the sentiment just becomes very negative, where we're just mistrusting the partner all the time. And what the Gottmans teach about that is, if you are finding yourself in negative sentiment override or just feeling negatively towards your partner, what needs to be addressed is the friendship. This is another beautiful teaching from the Gottmans, that friendship is at the basis of all successful relationships. So there are ways to enhance the friendship that will help you create trust again and get back into that positive sentiment override, where you're really trusting that the partner is not meaning to hurt you, not meaning to be offensive, not meaning to put you down.
You know, Catherine in her workshops often talks about the friend zone and how that's a very terrible place to be within mainstream culture. It's not. I mean, who wouldn't want to be best friends with their beloved? Catherine and I are best friends. Why wouldn't you want that in a relationship? But there is this weird sentiment in mainstream culture in the United States that says you don't want to be in the friend zone. Don't be friends with the person. That's a bad place to be.
It's actually at the root of all successful relationships. You want to be with your best friend, who's also your best sexual friend.
Yeah. Why would you not want to make love with your best friend? So we hope that you'll think about the notion of positive sentiment override. We hope it's been helpful to you, and we hope to see you in the future at Transpersonal Center.